r equals 3 cos 4 theta. Now 4 theta, I've drawn a few things in here because that goes through 90 degrees. That's 45 there. This is 22.5. 4 times 22.5 will give us the 90. So it will vary from 0 to 1, the cosine between 0 and 22.5. And again, from here to here is 22.5. So it will vary between a distance of 1, won't it? The cosine will go from a 0 to a 1 or something, or 1 to 0. So let's have a look here then. So when cos theta is 0 then, cos 0 is 1, we get 3. That's the biggest value it's going to have. And then at 22.5, this will be 90 and we'll get 0. So it's going to diminish quite quickly and it's going to go around to 0 there. So that's in the first section here. In this section, cos is going to go from 0 to -1. So our function, if I can find out where it is, will go from 0 round to -3 in here, won't it? Like so. And then in the next section, which is here, it's going to go from the -3 back to 0, isn't it? So we can draw that. And in the next section, it's going to flip up to being positive and go from 0 to 3. Like so. And then it will go from 3 to 0 in the next 22.5 degrees. Whoops. 3 to 0 in the next 22.5. And then in this one, it will go from 0 to -3, won't it? So here will be 0 to -3. So that will take us from here in to around to here. Oops. Not a great drawing there. And then it will go from -3. The next section will go around from -3 to 0. These lines aren't really drawn that brilliantly to scale. And then in this section, it will go from 0 to 3. Back to positive, isn't it? So there's our graph then. Now, you'll notice that we've gone from 0 round to pi, so we can just reflect these now to get the other shapes. So that one will be reflected, this one will be reflected through the horizontal axes. Reflecting this one will actually produce a petal in here, and reflecting this one will produce another petal in here, which is terribly drawn, and reflecting this one is going to produce another petal in here. So I'll now overwrite that and do a quick sketch, but this is what I think we get. So we get that petal there, then this one, then this one. Badly drawn, I know. And this one, I'm doing it very quickly. And this one. But obviously when you use a piece of paper, you would draw a much finer piece of artwork than moi. So there we go. So that's what we think we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals in this shape. So let's get the plotter then. 3 cos 4 theta, was it? Yeah, 3 cos 4 theta then. Oops. 3 cos 4 theta. Let's do that then without further ado. 3 cos 4 theta. There we go, from 0 to 2 pi, and we should be able to generate the plot. We only went round once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good.